All right, hello everyone, and this is Mr. Ege. This is STEM design class, and the activity, the project that I'm going to demonstrate is the kitchen design assignment, and using Revit. And you're going to find the Revit icon in the shape of R on your desktop. And if it is not there, you can go to the Windows applications and type Revit. And 2022 or 23 will be in front of you. Click on, if you see Revit 2023, click on it. If that is 2022, you can still click on it. Okay. So when you do that, this is the screen that you're going to be looking at it. Okay. And if you're starting a brand new project, kitchen design project, like the way I'm doing right now, first thing you should do is new. Move your cursor over new and press the left mouse button, okay? And when you do that, the new button, when you click on the new button, you're going to get to see a dialog box in front of you at the center of your screen. So it offers you a template file. What is a template file? For the convenience of the users, professionals, like students, architects, and engineers, AutoCAD offers multiple commands that are good for certain activities, certain projects. Okay, this particular one, Imperial Construction Template, perhaps it is good for civil engineers or construction engineers or contractors, perhaps. But in our case, we're not going to take this Imperial Construction Template. We're not going to pick this. We're going to click down arrow, and you're going to select Imperial Architectural Template. Okay, because this is going to be an architectural design project. Okay, so when you click on that Imperial Architecture Template, if you make a mistake here, the software is not going to be as convenient as it should be. It's going to give you more and more hard time. Towards the end of it, you're going to end up starting entire drawing over again, okay? So I'm suggesting you find the Imperial Architectural Template. If you cannot find it, call me, I'll find it for you. And then click OK. And right now, you have Imperial Architectural Template menu on the top. The part at the top menu is called ribbon. Okay, from now on you're going to use the term ribbon. And you have a white screen in the middle. Okay, and that screen is for drawing walls. And basically, let me help you to orient you better to the screen. You're looking for top down. Okay, this is your plan view. You're looking from top down. Plan is not necessarily a top down view, but it's similar to that. It's actually top-down look of the cross-section. Okay, top-down view of the cross-section of the building. Okay, so basically it's top-down view at the height of your eyes, about 5 feet, 5 inches, or whatever your eye level is. You're taking cross-section at the eye level and looking down to the floor. Okay. So what do we do first? And first of all, this particular kitchen is going to be 15 feet by 15 feet square kitchen. And if you want to take a look at the slideshow that I left, I gave you all the dimensions. Okay, this 15 feet is easy to remember. It's a square kitchen. And so first wall, we're going to draw the exterior wall. I make a note, okay, on the slideshow that the exterior wall is on the top, okay? And so I'm gonna go and draw the exterior wall here. But exterior wall that I want to create is going to be slightly bigger than the size of the kitchen. Okay, why? Because kitchen has never been a single volume, a single area, a single room. This is always connected to the other rooms around it. A kitchen is maybe connected to bathroom, for example, on one side. Kitchen will be connected to dining room or family room. And so it's a part of the house. So that's why I'm going to draw this exterior wall a little bit larger than necessary. So if the kitchen is 15 feet, okay, the exterior wall I will draw will be 5 feet extra on each side, I'll 25 feet, okay? So I'm moving my cursor over the ribbon and going to click on the wall arrow, click on it, select the architectural wall, do not select the other walls, okay? Select the architectural wall. And on the left side, you're looking for the object properties, and this is the basic wall, definition of the basic wall. It is not particularly what we want, what we ask for. We want to change that to exterior wall. So to do that, you click on the down arrow again, and there's a slide bar on the right-hand side, push it up, and select the third wall from the top. Okay, this is exterior wall, brick on the metal stud. This is pretty common in current engineering architectural applications, interior design, interior architecture applications, even city planning. So click on that. So now we select it, and now move your cursor somewhere in the middle, okay, at the intersection of the markers on the left and right and top bottom, approximately, and click in the middle, and zoom in with the thumb wheel. Thumb wheel, if you roll the thumb wheel forward, it's going to be zoom in. Now, and move your cursor right. Your wall is growing, but and dimension is showing, length of the wall. So it's going to be 25 feet. So to establish that, you type 25 and then one quote, single quote, click and enter key. Okay? That's it. You just created 25 feet long exterior wall. Hit escape key so that you get out of the wall command. Good, 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 good. So let me show you what you just did. When you click on this wall, okay, you selected the wall, and it definitely on the left side, the properties bar shows you, menu bar shows you the basic wall, its exterior wall, and so on and so forth, and total length of which is 25 feet. And also you see two arrows in opposite direction, up and down. Those arrows indicate where the exterior of the wall is, exterior side of the wall, okay? If you click on it, exterior becomes down below. If you click on it, if the wall outside, so that double arrow basically indicate where the outside of the wall is, okay? Just keep that in mind, all right? Hit escape. Now you want to draw another wall, but this time you're going to be drawing 3 more walls. That is partition walls. Interior walls are usually partition walls. What is the difference between the partition wall and exterior wall? Exterior walls are load-bearing walls. They are stronger, heavier, and they take a lot more weight. Roof, they support the roof, for example. Usually, interior walls are partition walls. They are also strong, but they are not as strong as exterior walls because they usually do not load-bearing walls. You could make an interior wall load-bearing wall if you wish, as an architect, engineer, as a designer. You can decide on that. But normally, this partition wall is just what it is for partitioning between two spaces, okay? So I'm going back to wall command again. Click on the wall, architectural wall. This time I am selecting an interior wall, generic 4-inch brick wall, interior wall. Click on it. Okay, I'm moving my cursor where the wall is, and I love this feature, particular feature. Computer understands there is an artificial intelligence literally built in this computer, this software. Understands that I want to draw a wall starting from a wall, and it gives you automatically measurements, okay, distance from the end of the exterior wall. Right now, you can see 2 feet is showing up. I want this to be 5 feet, so I'm moving my cursor all the way to here, 5 feet, and click. So notice that my cursor at the center of the exterior wall. Now I'm going down. I'm making it as straight as possible. My object synapses are so nicely, beautifully adjusted that it's not too difficult to make a perfect perpendicular draw. Right now it's showing you 7 feet 6 inches. And what I want is 15 feet. So I'm typing 15 feet mark, enter. Again, there's an artificial intelligence built in. Computer understands that the direction that I want to go, and it extends the wall 15 feet inches, 0 inches. And again, single quote is feet. Double quote is inches. Just please remember, this is important. I am moving my cursor to the right, showing the direction of the wall I want to create to the computer, to software. And computer is expecting me to enter the length of the wall. I'm typing 15 feet again, single quote. Okay, this feet mark is single quote, enter. Okay, second wall is also created. Now I'm moving my cursor up all the way to the center line of the exterior wall. As perfect as it can be. Computer shows me intersection with the center line with an X. That means anytime I want, I can click on the left mouse button to end the wall comment and click. That's exactly what I'm doing. So computer right now generated a perfect 3 walls. Okay. At this point, now your biggest challenge is to save your work in a correct place. Okay. Unfortunately, every year a few, not too many, but a few students will save it in the wrong place, and then when they come back next class, unfortunately, they cannot find their drawing because it is lost. So, in order not to have happen, I want to demonstrate but where is the exact location, correct location to save. There is only one place you can save. If you're not sure, call me. Let me show it to you. Okay. So that particular place left for you carries your name or student ID number. Please remember, there is only one place, okay, in the Google Drive or in the OneDrive, okay, and then that particular account is specifically for you. Don't save somewhere else. Either it is Google Drive, okay, and carries your name, or the OneDrive. So you move your cursor over the file, click on Save As, okay? You go to Project because you're saving this project, and click on it, okay? And I'm going to show you where the documents are. Documents actually is a folder in the computer. This is the worst place to save. Don't save it there. You don't want to save it in the computer. And basically, IT doesn't want us to save it there, number one. Second, there's a very good reason for that. You don't want to clutter your computer, that slows you down, okay? I'm going to go to Google Drive. In your case, find your name and student ID number and click on it, okay? And in the Google Drive, I will go to My Drive. This is similar as your drive, it carries your name, okay? And I'm going to create a new folder, okay? It's called STEM Design, capital letter STEM Design, enter. I'm going to create another folder inside, and it's called Kitchen Design. Okay, enter. And inside the Kitchen Design, I'm going to double click the icon. I am creating Kitchen Design drawing. So our file name is going to be Kitchen Design by Ege. You can write your name too, by your first name, last name. Save. Okay. So far so good. What else do we need? Well, we need a window. Where do we get the window? Well, there's a library for this one. Go to Architecture tab. Click on the Architecture tab. Do you see the window? 1, 2, 3, 4th icon from the top left. Yes, click on that. But what kind of window? Any kind of window will not do. Okay, it has to be double hung, this is specified, most commonly used, and the largest one, probably 30 inches by 46 inches, okay? And click on that. So we want this window to be on the exterior wall. Now, remember, this is extremely important that a window basically locates where the sink is going to be. The sink locates where the dishwasher is going to be. If you're right-handed, the dishwasher goes to the right-hand side of the sink. If you're left-handed, dishwasher goes to the left-hand side of the sink. But sink, a location of the sink always lines up with the window. Okay, if not, it's a mistake. All right, there are some certain rules, simple rules, okay? And also, computer shows you how far away, 7 feet, perfectly centered, 7 feet 6 inches from left and 7 feet 6 inches from right. Click. Okay, what happened? And I want to get out of window, I escape, and I'm out, I hit the escape. I am clicking on the window. Again, I'm showing you that there are double arrows when you click on the Your Select window. That indicates outside of the window, wherever the double arrow is, if it's below the exterior wall, okay, that means window is located wrong. The double arrow should be above the wall, okay? Because it indicates, double arrow indicates the exterior side of the window. So click, move your cursor on it and click on it. Now it is correct. Okay, now we have a window sash, okay, inside, and the window is located outside. That's perfect. Again, save your work. Every time you accomplish anything, please save your work. Why? Well, anything can go wrong anytime, any given time. And there is no rule that, we are protected 100% from all of the malfunctions of the technology. So always save it. When you save it, okay, you guarantee that you can get back whatever you're looking for, more or less. Okay. And what else do we need? We need window doorless openings. We need a pantry outside. We need a floor. We need a lot. Okay, so I am probably one video is not going to be enough. Okay, to do everything. So I want to do just enough for one class period so that you can do it. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you could do the floor. I'm going to demonstrate a little later, but I want to do the doorless opening. Doors are there, but problem is when you click on the doors, we're not going to be able to find the doorless opening here. So those doors are good, but this particular specification assume that I'm hitting the escape key now. It's recommended by the client, okay, whoever the client is, all right, and that openings are going to be doorless. Okay, and this is a coming trend in architecture, interior design, interior architecture, that sometimes clients, they ask for doorless openings. And door is required for privacy, and kitchen is not necessarily a private place like a bedroom or bathroom. Kitchen is more social place. You get together, gather together around the kitchen sometimes, okay? This is very important. So there is no sense in having a door around the kitchen. Old homes maybe did have doors for the kitchen, but new homes, brand new homes, modern homes, they do not have. So we're looking for doorless opening. Where do you find them? We have to go to Insert, okay, and then click on the Insert. And we have to find the load family. Okay, insert load family, AutoCAD family, doors. I just literally click on the load Autodesk family. And openings, I'm just typing openings. Okay. And let's see if I'm going to be able to find that. Doorless opening, I found one, door opening, there it is, click on it. And load. Okay. Now, it's not here. I wish it is at the end of my cursor, but it is not. So what do? I go to architecture, I go to component, place a component. Nope, it's not here either. Where do I find that? Escape. I'm going to go, I'm going to look on the families, click on the families, and doors, I'm going to go to doors, openings, right here. Okay, there it is. Doors openings are here. 36 by 84. All right. 84 is the height, 36 is 3. Okay. So I can literally take this, drag it here, bring it onto the wall. As you can see, I am hoping that you can see this. Okay. Like that. Click. Okay. And move your cursor over the other wall. And click again. Now we have two doorless openings and escape. Again, every time you accomplish something, go save, okay, on the top left corner. Okay. What else do we need? We need pantry. Pantry is very important concept, and it's a storage, dry food storage. And pantry is no different from a room, small size room. And normally size of the pantries are like, say, 2 feet by 3 feet and so on. So I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to go to wall command. I need 3 more walls. So I'm going to go to architectural wall command, select the basic wall, zoom in here, and find the center and go down. Okay. Okay, 4 feet and 2 feet 6 and 4 feet again. Okay. So what did you do, Mr. Ege? Well, I just simply created a 4 feet by 2 feet 6 wall room simply, but we need a door now. So hit escape key and go to door command. Now this is going to be a small door. Okay, so any door will not do. Click on it, and door opening, single flush floor is good. 30 inches door is fine. It doesn't have to be very large. Small, one of the smallest. So move your cursor. Okay, zoom in, move your cursor, and try to keep your cursor outside of the wall. Okay, and click. Okay, now it is done. What's the problem? Well, Mr. Ege, are you right-handed or left-handed? Okay, this is a left-handed door, and I am a right-handed person. I used to be left-handed. I learned to use my right hands. Now I don't want to go back left-hand again. So what do? Click on the door and select the left-handed door option. Or you can keep it as right-handed if you want to. Okay, it's totally up to you. Okay. Okay, click on it, you can go. If you go this way, I'm suggesting move your door a little bit, entrance towards the middle. Okay, probably this will work better this way. Okay, good. What else do we need? We need sink, but before we do the sink, don't you think we're missing something? We need floor. Yeah, without the floor, nothing works. So I'm going to make this floor a little bit larger than necessary, okay? But later on, we can adjust that. Each floor is different. Kitchen floor has to be different from the dining room floor. Dining room floor probably is different than the bathroom floor, and so on. So where do I go? Architecture, okay? And I'm looking for the floor option right here, okay? Click on that, and architectural floor, click on this. Okay, now floor, on the left side, I need to choose the select kind of floor. This is going to be wet area. Okay, it's extremely important you understand that. Wet area has a different kind of floors. So ceramic tile is good finish. Wood finish, I'm not so sure. It's good for the wet area. Carpet finish is not good. What else? There are many different kinds of ceramic tile. I'm choosing ceramic tile. And now I need to draw a rectangle so that computer knows what size floor I want. So there it is. And so I'm selecting this corner. I am making this little bit larger than I need to. You have to understand it. I can adjust it later on. But I'm making a little bit larger than I need to. Click on it. Okay? And rectangle is complete. It's not a floor yet unless you click on check mark. Ta-da! Okay, now it is done. It's this floor. And hit escape key. Okay, floor is complete. Where is the sink going? Sink is going to go in front of it. But there is always concern. What else do you need after the sink? Yes, I need appliances on the right-hand side, cleaning, dishwasher. I need oven. I need range. I need refrigerator, and the base cabinets, wall cabinets, countertop. Countertop is totally different. So that sink that I'm going to add now is probably I'm going to erase it later on. But okay, I just wanted to go and just do it. So, and where do I think the sink? I will find the sink. Insert, okay, Autodesk Family. See if I can sink. If I can type sink here. Okay, there are a number of sinks here. Countertop with sink, for example. I like that. Okay, so I'm going to load this countertop with the sink. It's ready for me. Where did it go? Usually, first place I check is I go to components and I go to components, place component. Oh, sink is here under the sink. Okay. Okay, do you see where it is now? The nice thing about this particular sink, the escape key, is that it comes with a countertop. And I can use the sink with the countertop, but I need to modify the countertop. Okay? But I'm going to demonstrate this next class. I'm going to take a break here because it's probably will be okay for the one session only. I'm going to click on the save button. Okay, and we'll continue on this one. Thank you very much.